Hi, this is Sue from the Wellesley Free Library, here to tell you about a resource that will help you to be able to find items not available in the Minuteman Library Catalog. It's called WorldCat, and it truly is a world library catalog boasting 2 billion items from over 10,000 libraries. Many of our patrons have already discovered WorldCat and have been using information obtained through it to write books, research papers, and articles, as well as to obtain music CDs and DVDs for entertainment. Isn't it time you tried WorldCat?
There are two ways to access WorldCat. One is with a subscription, and one is free for everyone at worldcat.org. We're going to learn how to use the free version today. On the home page of worldcat.org, you will find a basic search box. You can put your terms in the box, and you can limit it by the format: books, DVDs, CDs, or articles. Let's do a simple search today using an item that was requested by one of our patrons. It was High Cotton by Alabama. When I place my search terms in there, I get a list back of results, and here is High Cotton listed right here. I can click on the link. It takes me to the item description page, which will give me more information. We have the title, the performer or author, the publisher or producer, the edition, and the language and format. I can cite this by going over here to our tools at the right. And this will give me my information. I can choose any of these citation formats here. I can export it to other citation builders if I would like as well. Our other options are to print it, to email it to ourselves, share it on social media, or to find the permalink, and we can send that to people if they need to find the specific page we were looking at. Down below you will find libraries that happen to have this item that are close to where you are. You must enter your location, and I entered 02482 for Wellesley, and these were the closest ones. The closest library is 30 miles away. It would be to my benefit just to place an interlibrary loan and have it brought to Wellesley Free Library for me to pick up. The other option that we have when we have other items that we need more information on or we don't have specific information for is to go to the advanced search. This list gives me a lot more ways to be able to limit this. I can do a keyword search and it will search all the fields. I can do a title search and it will only search the title field, the author search, and it will only search the author field. And all I need to have is the last name of the author or the first name. Last name would be better, but full name is best. Put them both in there. There's a fourth field that's not listed there, but is very popular and which we need to use if we don't know specifically what we're looking for. So when looking for topics for research papers, that would be a good place to start. Down below you have ways to be able to narrow your search. I'm going to do a sample search so you can see what you can get. I chose Civil War slavery, and I put it in my subject area. Down below I'm going to look for primary documents, and I'm going to limit it just to 1860 to 1870. During that time period, I can choose my audience. If I don't want any children's books, I can click on non-juvenile, not juvenile. The content, I can choose the genre that I'm looking for. I can look for the format if I want to specify a particular one that I'm looking for. Right now, I'm open to whatever I can find, and language, I can choose from all of these languages listed here. I'm going to choose English, do my search. My return list is listed here. I see lots of options here, print books, but libraries aren't open right now, so it might benefit me to limit my search to something that I can get right away. Ebooks you can look for. Lots of times those are in databases that you need to have a subscription, and for our benefit today, I want to find things quickly that you can look at right away. You can do downloadable archival, you can do e-video, you can do downloadable musical score, and downloadable articles as well. Lots of times those two you need to have a subscription. What I'm going to do now is just take a look at one of these to see if they're readily available for me so that I don't have to have a subscription to this. Google and Happy Trust Digital Library both have those items. Those are both free to the public to use. I'm going to go ahead and click on Happy Trust so I can see the item, and it will allow me then to be able to download this page, all of the pages, or the whole book. And I can look and see what I need here. And here we have the score for the Freedmen's or Negro Boatmen's song. Some other things that I can look at. Let's go back to our list. And here we have James M. Drake Civil War letter that we can look at. This is archival material, and it too is available online. So I can go ahead and click on that and be able to download that as well, to be able to use that or to include it in my paper that I have. Okay, let's go back here. There is one other area that we want to look in at, and that's e-video. I'm going to get rid of these other two because there's nothing listed on our first page here, and show you what we have. Here we've got new item online, so we can look at this one right away without having to worry about getting a password to get in. There it is with the description of it listed there for you. There's a citation available for you and some general information. There are other videos that are related that are listed down below in case those are of interest to you. There also is a transcript of this program that was put up by NBC Learning. Down below, more information for you to help you with being able to describe what you have found. So if we return to our search list, there's one other thing that you might find helpful. I did put in there some of these things that I thought we could get. If I wanted to include all of those in a list, I can make that list very easily by going right up here, clicking what I am looking for, and saving that. This account is free for you to do, and you can use it every time that you come back. If you want to make a list of DVDs or music CDs that you're looking for, or any books that you're wanting to read in the future, you just have to set up your account here. And then you can email that to yourself or be able to print it out. So if you get all of those and you want to send us the citations, we can find those for those print books that you're looking for, anything else that you can't get through Minuteman, and we will put that through for you. Let us know if you need any assistance with this database. We'll be happy to help, and happy searching.